What's up, guys? You watching another episode of Third Coast Fishing, and we are again at the Texas City Dike, but this time we're doing it at night. All right, check it out. Got some live shrimp. I'm gonna get one of these buku boys. Look at that. See what we can catch, ladies. All right, I'm gonna go try the other side from where we are fishing. A pretty good little spot over here. Let's see what we can get done with it. Got that sand trout, baby. Sandy.
Oh, you got some over there?
Yeah. Of course, man. That's my sweet spot. No. Oh, you got some new ones? Is that the one? I ordered some from Reaction Tackle.
Yeah?
Yeah, like 16 bucks.
Stainless or what?
Yeah. No, aluminum. Ooh, Richard got another shrimp going on, boy.
The hell?
Woo! Got them lights up, check that out. Ooh, got this stuff going on. Can't see it yet, but we gotta warm the water up. You can see that bobber shining bright though. Worst comes to worst, it'll just be for seeing our bobbers. Got that. Got the generator over here. Little boy. We're getting it down, so hopefully I think the sun will go down in about 20-30 minutes and we on the nighttime fishing. Texas City Dike, baby. That's what's up. I want one.
Little bitty. Oh man, you done crushed him. Now he's not gonna die.
No, he's good. Too bad he wasn't no keeper. But that's cool, man. Richard got the first one. Got that ribbon fish ball, Texas City Dike. Huh? Yeah. That's badass looking.
That is,
All right, we'll put them back. That's cool as shit, though.
That's gotta be a fry.
What's up, ribbon fish number 2? On the shrimp, this is all that's really biting today, but man, those are freaking cool as hell. Look at that.
Man, the color that thing goes up. This way the fins move.
Oh, you little mother. His teeth were getting way too close to my hand. Huh? He freaked me out a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. No, it's a trout. No, it's a red. What up? It's not the biggest. What up? Sweet little redfish. Sand trout. Nah, not really. We didn't bring nothing for that. Is it a sand trout or a speckled trout? Where'd you catch them on? Shrimp?
Yeah. What is it?
Sand trout. At least you're catching something. That's what I always say. I just caught a little red.
Yeah, I see ya. Yeah, I got one.
He got one. Dude, that thing's super cool looking. Flies are in the back of the truck somewhere. Yeah, shit. You don't want it. Oh. Oh, yeah, I got stuck.
What is it?
Sand trout. He did? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you don't want it. I'll take it. I'll eat that son of a bitch.
Oh, right. Pick this up.
Sweet, bro.
That's on the wrong way. You're supposed to go that way.
Yeah. Hey, how big specs gotta be? Okay, we got a spec. That was a spec, not a sand trap. They're here. Huh? Yeah. It was 16 or something like that. They only need to be like 14, right? Or 15? I think he said he's fishing on the bottom.
Yeah, he's bottom fishing.
Richard said he's fishing on the bottom, catching them big old specks. You know what I was thinking of making my leader a little longer. Go, Richard. He's still on there, bro. Yeah. You gonna reel it in or? What is it?
Sand trout. It's a sand trout.
Yeah. You swallowed that shit or what?
Buddy, look at that shit.
Yeah, you got him in the gill. Go ahead, you can. I can't believe this dude brought over a speck for us. What up? Yeah. Yep. Get the little sand trap, boy, he pounded that thing too. That looks like a speck. Yes, sir.
You got specks on it. Like it, like it's bad too. You got a nose ring, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you got him on it?
Good.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, remember it was supposed to be a pretty slack tide tonight. sand trout. You get one? Yeah, it is. Oh, you finally caught one though.
Man, those are some teeth, dog.
Is it a speck?
That's a keeper right there. Maybe.
Yeah, it's a speck.
He ain't long enough, is it?
There's a ruler on my tailgate.
Yeah, look, baby.
No, he don't. He is back. Man, he is spicy. Oh man, he swallowed the hell out of that thing. Look at that.
It's better just to cut it.
It's way down in there. See it?
Yeah.
You got the long ones. The reach.
Yes, somewhere in there. Great, we're out of shrimp and now the trout are here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and peace out.